I wonder how many peanut butter and jelly sandwiches Meek had to make your fat jelly bean smuggling ass to fucking switch up on his Instagram when you know fucking well that you got your ass robbed in the club, ran for all your fucking jewelry, you ain't do shit, your nigga sat there and watched you get robbed, you left the club, called my phone, said, "Gang, big bro, somebody robbed me, can you help me get my chains back?" I told your fat ass that I would fucking see what I can do. Then you got off the fucking phone, called me back 10 minutes later talking about Meek called you and told you that I had you set up and robbed in the club. Then you sued the club, called detectives, then you called detectives with Meek on the phone, let them speak to Meek, incriminating me and my fucking entourage saying that we fucking robbed you, nigga. Then had detectives knocking on my fucking door, nigga, at my crib, nigga. You a fucking lying ass nigga. And Meek, you know you can't fucking put hands on nobody, nigga. You a buster. You can't fight. You ain't gonna shoot shit. So stop fronting for these Instagram followers. I'm fucking you up on sight, nigga. Period. Both you niggas some pussies, nigga.